Today, we're at the boat show going on the docks.
Alright, so here's where the boat show gets serious.
1K this way.
This way.
1K
1K.
this way.
This way.
Right.
Uh-huh. Well, what about that side? There must be another way in.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
1K this way.
Okay, this way.
1K.
1K.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bless you.
I know, yeah.
Alright, so we just walk around first and then see what we want to do?
Yeah.
Alright.
1K.
This looks like a nice boat right here, right? 38 foot.
1K this way.
Uh-huh. Here's a 40 foot.
1K this way.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
1K this
Yeah.
way.
This one's huge.
1K this
Oh,
way.
here's a Sun Odyssey.
1K this way.
1K's this way.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Janos.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
1K this way.
Oh my gosh, look at this one. That's big. We got a Hans over here.
Uh-huh.
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 Mm-hmm.
We got
That's a Nimbus.
oh yeah.
Uh-huh. I
Uh-huh.
think I like this Nimbus better. It looks cuter.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
And what's this?
It says a Nimbus, yep.
Right.
That's right.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Right.
And what's this?
A Nimbus. This one is a Bavaria.
Got a boy now.
Bavaria.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that looks like a fancy yacht right there, huh, Kenny?
Uh-huh.
Ian!
Hi, how are you?
I watch a lot of your videos.
Right on, thank you, thank you.
And
Ian, yeah.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Wow. This is
I'd love it.
oh, we can't go past this one, okay? This is the end. Let's go back this way.
Nope.
It's on special discount, only 1.2 million.
This way.
Yeah, just this one. The next one is going 1.35.
This way.
This way.
That was one.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
This way.
Right.
Uh-huh. Look at that one. I don't know what kind of boat that is, Kenny. It's big, though.
Uh-huh.
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 Uh-huh. Yeah, that's, I don't know what that is, buddy.
Whoa.
Oh. Hello.
Whoa.
Whoa. All right, let's go. Let's go this way. Let's see what's over here.
Okay, buddy.
Uh-huh.
I
Silver Seas Yachts.
can put it back over here.
Yeah, let's go see what's over here.
Yeah, well, this has got a
I
seat.
can put it back
Mm-hmm.
over here.
Let's see what's over here. Negative, Ghost Rider. The pattern is full.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Wow.
Like Godfather.
It's Ghost Rider, yep.
Nice.
Nice.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Save the date.
Wow. Man, Godfather.
Yeah.
Put the other in the fridge.
Man, Godfather.
Yeah.
Man, Godfather.
Yeah, the other one was called Ghost Rider. That was the name of the boat.
Uh-huh.
Azimuths are over here.
Man, Godfather.
Yeah, this one is.
No.
Yeah,
Man, Godfather.
and Ghost Ride. 49er.
Wow.
If we bought that boat, we would have to change the name.
Nice.
Nice.
Mà góc váy.
Yeah.
Mà góc váy.
Yeah.
Mà góc váy.
Ghost ride.
Going back that way. Take your advice.
Mà góc váy.
Ghost ride. This is a cool looking boat right here, okay? It's absolute. Uh-huh.
Wow.
Wow.
Mà góc váy.
Oh, and I've always loved their boats, azimuths. Oh, look how huge this boat is, Kenny. Oh my gosh. No, this is a
Mà góc váy.
68-foot fly bridge right here. Oh my gosh, look at that.
See that?
But look at this boat right here. This one looks fun right here. Oh, it's an Ocean Alexander. Wow. Look, Kenny, it has a room in the back. So you can just sit down and watch the water.
Nice.
Nice. Alright.
Thế có hình this way hả?
There's some things over here.
This way?
This way.
Right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Why?
Like this one right here.
Okay.
Alright.
But why? Why?
Here. Wow. I've never heard of Nix boats. Alright. Uh-huh. That's right.
Mom, but why can't you?
Yeah, that's a nice little boat light. That's a bayliner.
Why?
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Uh-huh.
You would like that boat. Because it's a motorboat.
Mom, but why?
Mm-hmm. Look at this boat, Kenny. Doesn't this look fancy?
Mom, but why?
Yeah, more boat right over here.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Wow.
Uh-huh.
Here's a Grady White.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, but why?
More boats.
Mom, but why?
More boat rides.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Oh, here you got your pontoon boat, Kenny.
Wow.
It's a nice looking one, right?
No,
That looks fancy.
another boat way right here.
Yeah, another boat ride right there.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. This is a pretty boat right here, huh?
Another boat way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's another boat ride.
Strategic though.
Uh-huh.
So we're focused on that.
Yeah.
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 Another boat way. Another boat way.
Another boat ride.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Whoa.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
That's right.
That's right.
Got another boat way.
That is another boat ride.
Yeah.
That's a 34-1.
Gosh.
Hello, Mr. Keenan.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Gosh.
Goss.
Got another boat way.
Another boat ride.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sold.
Got another boat
That one says sold.
Wow.
Wow, this place looks fancy.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Another boat way.
Another boat ride.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, watch your hand. There's lots of people around.
You're right.
You're right.
Another boat way.
Another boat ride. Oh, T-Ray.
Oh, different light.
That's right.
Another boat way.
Another boat ride. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, Sunseekers.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Another boat way.
fancy.
Another boat way.
Another boat ride.
Over here.
Over there. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's a Boston Whaler.
Right.
Uh-huh.
You're right.
You're right.
Another boat way over
There's
here.
another boat ride.
Over here.
Over here. Yeah, there's lots of boat rides over here.
Uh-huh.
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 Oh, look at Fleming.
Nice.
Oh, I love Fleming.
Nice.
Uh-huh.
Another boat way over here.
Another boat right over here.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Yeah, this right here is the dream.
Nice.
Nice.
Another boat way over here.
Yeah. I'd love to go on this boat.
Another boat way.
Another boat ride.
Over here.
Mm-hmm.
Over here.
Yep.
Wow.
Wow. Watch out.
Another boat way over
Uh
here.
huh. Oh, another boat right over here. Uh huh. Oh, look at all these boats.
How are you?
Another boat way over here.
There's another boat.
Sure, your shoes untied.
Oh wow.
Another boat way over here. Uh-huh.
Uh huh.
Another boat way over here.
Yeah.
Another boat way over here.
Another boat.
Another boat way.
Uh huh.
Another boat way.
Another boat ride
Yep.
over here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. All right, and that is, I think, everything.
Oh, drop your weight.
I think we missed a couple.
Your weight, huh?
Here, right.
And boat way over here.
Another boat right over here.
Yeah.
Uh huh.
Yeah.
80. Wow.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, but I don't want to know the inbound.
Uh-huh.
Uh huh.
More boat way over here.
More boat rides over here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Oh,
Well, this video's over, but there are plenty of other adventures to enjoy. Thanks for watching.